One of the problems that you'll find in many technical approaches is what I call the peanut butter and jelly problem. Let's talk about the peanut butter and jelly problem. Let's say you're writing a technical approach for me, and here's the scope. I want you to make me a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Now describe your methodology and approach to this scope of work. Most proposals will say this: we will make you a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. They'll follow it up with this: trust us, it will be great. Well, that's insane. That approach completely lacks an approach. It has no approach. You see, there's a difference between a scope of work and an approach. A scope of work tells what you're going to do, but an approach is about how you will do it, why you'll do it that way, and what the benefits are to the client. Let's try this. I'm going to show you some real proposal language. Let's see if you can tell the difference between a scope of work and an approach. Let's look at this first one. We will hold a kickoff meeting within 14 days of notice to proceed. Is that scope or is that approach? Well, let's look at the chart here. Did we talk about what we were going to do? Yes. But did we describe how, why, or the benefits? No. So this is clearly scope. Let's look at another one. We will prepare schematic designs for the park improvements. Is that scope or approach? It's scope because it just tells what you're going to do. You're going to do the schematic design. Here's another one. Our people manage the construction phase using a proprietary in-house web application. This application's features help us collaborate more effectively, and it typically cuts the time our clients have to spend in meetings by 30%. Is that scope or approach? Let's look at the chart. Does it tell you what you're going to do? Well, not really. It's more about how you're going to do it, why, and benefits. Let's look at this paragraph more closely. Here's the how. Using a proprietary in-house web application. Here's the why. It helps us collaborate more effectively. And here's the benefit. It cuts the time our clients have to spend in meetings by 30%. That's a benefit. It's the benefit to the client. They're going to have to spend 30% less time in meetings. So that's the peanut butter and jelly test. Whenever you're looking at a technical approach, you want to say, does it describe how? Does it describe why? And does it describe the benefit, specifically the benefit to the client? And if it doesn't have these things, it lacks an approach. So make sure your technical approaches describe how, why, and explain the benefit. And then you won't have the peanut butter and jelly problem.